attention. I do not accept responsibility if, after watching this video, your specific person, your loved one, starts begging you to always be by their side. After watching this video, they will beg you to be with them. More importantly, they will want you to be at the center of their life. They will desire a better life with you than the one they have now. They will wish for you to be the centerpiece of their life, placing you on a pedestal. You must know this as surely as you know your own name, and believe with absolute certainty that it will happen no matter the circumstances. Whatever happened in the past is in the past, and whatever relationship dynamics exist in this three-dimensional physical plane we live in, they won't matter, because they will beg for you to be by their side. Time is your time, and your current life story, with your specific person, with your beloved, with the person you desire, is being written as they are by your side. The exercise I'm about to share will help both of you reach a vibrational harmony suitable for establishing a deep emotional bond. You will feel as if your dreams have come true. In this very moment of your life, you are taking a wonderful step towards the love life you've envisioned. You are initiating energies in perfect harmony for a life filled with passion, joy, and happiness. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to experience that feeling of being loved. With the initiation of this process, everything will undergo a transformation. Your life is embracing the grandeur of love. From this moment on, you will begin to exist in a brand new reality where your specific person, your beloved, longs to be with you, sees you by their side, wishes for you to be the closest person in their life, and fervently prays to have you in their life. I understand that you may have some doubts, and that's okay. Doubt can indeed disrupt the manifestation process to some extent, but even with a little doubt, you can still choose to move forward. You acknowledge the possibility of your reality, and you shift into a position of certainty, beginning to recognize the power within you and starting to see signs of your new reality replacing the old in your life. This is how your transformation begins. It won't take years, not even months. You have initiated the beginning of your transformation right now. The process has already begun. You're about to take a step into the realm of possibilities where your dream has come true. The person you've held space for in your heart is now pleading for you. With open hands and all the words they can muster, they're requesting your presence. Maybe in the past, they didn't pay much attention to you. Perhaps they agreed to go on a date with you or promised to meet up, only to break that promise. Maybe they even ghosted you at times, disappearing suddenly while you were in the midst of a conversation. But that chapter of your life, that part of your story, is behind you now. The tide is turning, and things are taking a different direction. They are beginning to realize the value they missed out on, and they're starting to regret not appreciating you. Tears fill their eyes as they cannot help but think of you, love you, want you, and need you. This technique works. When practicing this exercise together, try to be in a quiet environment. Make sure you won't be interrupted or distracted during your practice. Of course, if you're driving or using sharp objects, please refrain from doing this exercise at the moment. Just listen and absorb. Allow the new energies and high vibrations we're inviting into this calm and relaxed space to flow and become a fresh part of your new life. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Let's take another breath in through the nose and release it through the mouth. Calm your inner spirit. Feel the deep sense of relaxation coming over you. Embrace this serenity with your entire body. You may notice a sudden increase in warmth enveloping you, finding yourself in a cocoon of love, feeling completely safe, peacefully just being, experiencing love, feeling serene. Experience the tranquility to your core. Starting from the top of your head, every part of your body relaxes. From your neck down to your shoulders, arms, and hands, your back, chest, and entire spine, your abdomen, all your organs, your heart, lungs, softening, relaxing, resting. From your waist down, your legs, ankles, and feet, the soles of your feet releasing all the accumulated stress into the earth. Imagine yourself in a sheltered place. You're in a safe space like a cocoon, a capsule. Nothing can harm you here. You are in a state of complete safety and love. It feels very familiar to you. You are like in the womb, feeling completely peaceful. You might be in the living room of a house where you feel loved and comfortable, or perhaps you've constructed a completely different place in your mind. It could be a place from years ago, a place from your childhood. You are in a place where you feel completely relaxed, where there is no tension. You love being here. You feel calm and at peace. Visualize your specific person in your mind's eye, the person who is in your heart. See their presence manifesting in your visual realm. Look at how they smile at you with love. Right now, they are standing in front of you. In the corridors of the Mind Palace, your specific person, the person you love. They are smiling at you. They are very happy to see you. Inside of them, butterflies are fluttering, joyfully, unable to stand still. It doesn't matter if what you're accustomed to isn't their usual state. Perhaps right now, you're touching upon a completely different timeline. If so, the mutual transformation of time probabilities is assisting you in experiencing the reality of living the life you desire with the person you desire to live it with. Now, especially look into their eyes. As you gaze deeply, notice how you're looking into their soul, seeing their essence, touching their soul. And likewise, they're looking into your soul. Your souls are connecting deeply through a profound, meaningful path of love. Now, shift your attention to their face. Is there any uncommon, unique feature or trait that they possess? Try to focus on the characteristics of their face. Examine their hair. Scan their body with your eyes. How have they chosen to dress today? Carefully examine all the unique features that make them special in your eyes. Focus on each detail individually. Then, strengthen the eye contact even more. Look into each other's eyes in such a way that there is not just a gap between your pupils, but rather a magnetic field that binds you together. Maintain eye contact. This eye-to-eye connection between you binds your hearts together, bringing your souls closer. Feel the desire in their eyes. Feel their emotions for you. They want you, they desire you, they love you. They're begging to be with you, pleading, pleading, pleading. They're praying to be at the center of your life. Feel it. Feel their presence, their true self in front of you. Sense their longing for you. You hear their voice asking you, "What do I need to do to become your deepest desire in life?" They're asking you this question. What steps should I take to be closer to you? How should I act to have you at the center of my life? What do I need to do to walk hand in hand with you, happily, with a deep bond of love, sharing a life together? I am ready. I desire to be close to you, to go in the same direction, to share a life. I'm begging you. I'm calling out to you from the depths of my heart. Now, you're hearing all of this from them. Repeat it in their own voice. From this moment on, you are the only one I long to be with. When night falls and I drift into sleep, as I wake up in the morning, my only wish is to be by your side. Every day, throughout the day, at day's end, you're hearing it in their own voice. They're speaking to you again. I plead with you to grant me the beauty of being with you. Please. I love you so much. I want you. I desire only you. Let's experience a whole lifetime together. Let's enjoy this life. Let's nurture this love together. The ache of your love in my heart, tears streaming from my eyes. We belong to each other. You and I can be a perfect match. I'm pleading with you from the depths of my heart to make room for me in your life. Can you hear? Can you hear these words from them in their own voice? My only expectation is to be your love. to be your partner. I want to be your companion, your friend, your life partner. I want to be with you forever. All these pleas to be with you, I just want you. Now it's time to acknowledge that this moment is truly happening. Accept that what you've experienced, these moments you've shared together, have become your reality. Live it over and over again until it fully manifests in your perception of reality, in your three-dimensional physical world. Continue to see them in your mind's eye. You can see them looking at you, smiling, with eyes full of desire, willing to make any sacrifices to be with you. They are reaching out his hand to you. You hold their hand, feeling the presence of their hand in yours. Now you must ask yourself, what do I want? What do I truly desire? What do they need to do for me to trust them? What do they need to do for me? Do they need to apologize for what they did, what they made me go through, what they made me feel in the past? Do they need to wait until I am ready, until I trust them again? Do you want to see if they can show that patience? Do you really want to make sure they have changed? Or are you ready to embrace them? Are you ready to hug them, to let them cry in your arms? The person who is special to you, the one in your mind and heart, your specific person desires to be with you. They are longing for the days when they will be with you. Yes, now it's your turn to choose. Which reality do you want to attract into your life? Which scenario do you want to turn into reality? Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Witness their breathing as well, synchronized with yours. You're doing it together. Take another breath and calmly release it together. When you feel ready, you can gently open your eyes. Don't forget to incorporate this experience into your daily routine. Complete a full 28-day cycle with this exercise, which equals 1 month. Even if they reach out to you, eager to talk or text to you while you're still practicing, continue with your exercise routine. Aim to complete the designated days. Keep experiencing this practice. You've started attracting miracles into your life. You've initiated transformation. You've created a new timeline for yourself. You've stepped into a brand new reality. You're attracting true love and a healthy relationship, a partner committed to you with strong bonds of love. I send love to both of you. May all the beauty find you as you wish. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Take care of yourself until we meet again in the next video. So glad you're here.